Hey everyone, welcome to Clickfix Tech. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to download songs or music using Google Chrome on your phone. So let's get started. First, open up Google Chrome on your phone. Type Pixabay and search. From the results, click on this website. Once you're on the site, you'll see different sections for photos, illustrations, and music. Just swipe this menu to the left until you find music and then tap on it. Now, you'll see a whole list of songs and soundtracks. You can listen to a preview of each track by tapping the play button on the left side. Take your time to explore and find the one you like. Once you've found the perfect song, look over to the right side. You'll see a download button. Tap on it, and your browser will start downloading the file instantly. You might see a small pop-up at the bottom saying, "Downloading file." Just wait for a few seconds until it's complete. After the download finishes, tap on Open from the download notification. The song will open directly in Chrome, and you can start playing it right away. If you want to access it later, simply open your files and go to your download folder. You'll find your downloaded music. Tap on it to play it using any music player on your phone. And that's it. And there you go. That's how you can easily download songs using Google Chrome on your phone in just a few minutes. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to Clickfix Tech. If you have any questions or run into any issues, drop a comment below. I'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.